Treasury bills, how you can start investing in Nigeria even if you're a complete beginner. My personal opinion on treasury bills is that it is the safest form of investment you have out there, because treasury bills, just like bond, you are lending to the federal government of Nigeria. But this one, the duration is a bit shorter, right? For bonds, you have 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, as long as 20 years. For treasury bills, it's within a year. So you have 91 days treasury bill, 184 days treasury bills, and you have 364 days treasury bills. So you have 3 months, 6 months, and a year to test the market. And for me, if you're a complete beginner and you don't understand how to start investing in Nigerian financial markets, then the treasury bill is the best form of investment for you, because when you lock up your money 3 months and in 6 months, it gives you time to understand what goes on in the market while your money is still earning you interest, right? Just yesterday, news came in that the CBN is actually releasing 800 billion worth of T-bills to the public, and in which we have some for 364 days at 19% interest rates, and we have some for 184 days, 91 days. Now, be aware that the treasury bills actually work on discount, okay? If you put in 100k, they're not going to give you 120k. Instead, they'll discount the money you are investing and pay you the discounted amount as interest. So let's look at the interest rates regarding treasury bills. Now, if you're a Nigerian investor and you don't have a stockbroker, then all you have to do is download the Bamboo app. Once you download Bamboo app, to register for your first treasury bill as a Nigerian investor, get the Bamboo app, sign up immediately. If you need to use your BVN, use your BVN. It's quite safe. I use my BVN to register, right? Then scroll down, you're going to see treasury bills. Click on that. Right now, I already have a treasury bills that is going for 1 year, and I have 59 days left, so I'm not new to this. Right, you can see. So click on find new treasury bills. If you are new, you will see 91 days, you see 182 days, 360 days, 364 days, right? So this 91 days is still very recent because it takes 90 days to mature. And I want to start with 100,000 naira, right? If I invest 100,000 naira, they are going to pay me 16%. 16% is the effective yield, and my interest is 4,000 naira. Now, most people don't understand what this 16% actually means, because when you hear 16% for 100,000 naira, you're supposed to be going, that means I'm supposed to get 16,000 naira. No, it doesn't work like that, right? This is how it works. When you do the effective yield of 16%, which is 16,000 naira, you divide it by the number of months in a year. So we have 12 months in a year. So 16,000 naira divided by 12 is what? Do the maths. Let's do the maths. Calculator. 16,000 naira divided by 12 is 1,333 naira. Now, because we have it for 3 months, we're going to lock in our money for 3 months, which is 90 days actually. So we do that times by 3. This 103 is 0.33, right? Yeah, so you have 399 naira, 3,999 naira. So you can see here that we're not very far from the truth. So this is 4,099 naira. That's your breakdown. So if you are going to do this for, let's say, 6 months, right? If you're going to put in just 100,000 naira for 6 months, that's 8,000 naira. Can you see it? 8,875 naira. If you're going to lock it up for a year, 364 days, they're going to pay you 18.2%. So 100,000 naira for 1 year is going to give you 20,000 naira, 887 naira. 20,887 naira. So if you click on preview investment, look at it. So if we click on this right now, our face value of the money is 120, right? Effective yield is 22.03%. Expected interest is 20,000. Expected interest is 20,887 naira, and our tenure is for 349 days remaining, right? No longer 364 days. No longer 364 days. And maturity date, look at it, it tells you when it's going to mature on the 26th of March 2026. And this is the amount you're going to invest, 99,139 naira. This one is for custody fee, right? They took custody fee of 862 naira. So you can click on proceed after you've read their terms and condition, right? So if you love this 100,000 naira, go for it. If you have 500,000 naira to lock in your money for a year and you're like, I don't know what to do with my money for now, I'm a beginner in investing in Nigerian market, what do I do? So for 500,000 naira, you're going to get 104,000 naira in 1 year. 500,000 naira, 104,000 naira in 1 year. If you click on preview investments, right, that doesn't have enough available quantity, please consider purchasing a small amount of T-bills. See, they don't have this amount of quantity. Can you imagine, right? So people are rushing this thing and very soon it will be closed out. Wow. So let's see, 300,000. Wow. So 200,000. Okay, 200,000 naira can work. Whoa, on this app. So if you lock in 200,000 naira, you are expected to get 41,000 naira at the end of 1 year. Now, the beautiful thing about Treasury bills is that it's certain. Number one, you're loaning to the government, so your money is actually very certain. You're going to get your money back, almost guaranteed. Almost guaranteed, yeah. And then you have an expected interest. Unlike when you're investing in stocks, unlike when you're investing in crypto, right, and all these other asset classes that the prices actually fluctuate. For this is certain, it's fixed, you're locking your money in and you're getting this amount out. It's certain, you can plan with this. But when it's in the stock market, you can make more than this, but then the risk is actually very high. This, for a beginner, is actually best and seen as a low risk investment that any beginner can start right away without understanding what's going on in the market, right? So like you can see, I'm already invested in this. Mine is going to take 59 days for me to cash out on that platform. My investors, you all know I give you real investment updates. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to follow for more real investment update, guys. Crystal cares, and you're watching Money Reality with Crystal. Bye.